it's Dmitry from FlexRC, and today I decided to take Slim X in the new setup for a flight. I've used new Predator Micro version 2 and Zeus F4. And you know what? The reason I'm recording this video basically to say that I loved it so much, and it's complete true. It's so smooth and light, it flies so well, and the image of this Predator Micro is so crisp. I don't see any shadows, sun doesn't blind me, and you can see now it's really bright outside in Vancouver, BC. I'm just loving it. It's so floaty, and because it's so light, you just release throttle and you can play with it. It won't fall like a brick to the bottom. At the same time, you don't even need that much throttle for it to go up. And it flies approximately around 3.5 minutes on 650 battery. I get approximately the same flight time with 450. I assume it's because of weight difference and it kind of compensates each other. But you know, overall, I just say it's so much fun. I really recommend you to try this configuration. Almost forgot, guys. Now you can check my FPV footage. I will just add it after this part of the video clip to judge by yourself. I am not a good pilot for what it's worth, and you probably know it if you've seen my previous videos, but still you can see what I'm talking about, hopefully. Thank you.